Look at Mia and Daddy boxing. Go, Mia, go.
I'm going to hit Daddy.
Do it, Mia. Hit him. Hit him. Hit Daddy.
Ooh, that was good.
Ow!
Hit Daddy, Mia. Hit him hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mia, all right.
Ow!
What's wrong?
My arms hurt.
Your arms hurt?
Don't do it so hard.
Like this?
Yeah. Hit me up. Go forward.
Hit Daddy. Hit Daddy.
Go over here. Go over here. Go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Good job. Hit him.
Do it softly, not hard. See, you can still hit me.
Like this?
Yeah, just go like this. Look, just go like this.